Hey VanGang, this is Vanity and today is going to be an unboxing. I literally just got some new hair in the mail and I'm going to be showing you. It is from a company by the name of Dynasty Virgin Hair. Okay, so we're going to unbox this together. I have no idea what this is going to look like because it's still in the packaging, all right? I'm just going to cut it open at the top. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful packaging. It is so regal and royal. Oh, this is very pretty. I haven't seen anybody send hair in anything remotely similar, so this is really cute. All right, so let's open it up. So first you get this. It says some things are basic, your hair shouldn't be. And it says thank you for your order from Dynasty Virgin Hair. It also says the Diamond Promise. We stand behind our product 100%. If there are any issues or discrepancies with your order, please contact support at diamonddynastyvirginhair.com to allow us to assist you. This is really nice. Next thing is a pan flick for Dynasty Virgin Hair. It's your guide to luxurious hair. So I guess this has like information on the hair. Yes, it tells you information on the hair. It gives you a few different examples of different hair that they have. It also tells you about products that they carry on their site other than hair. So they have lashes, they have a baby edges brush, as well as the Omega wand, and I guess it's a wand curler, but it comes with a lot of detachables. They have mink lashes, and they also have hair products. So that is really, really nice. So let me just show you really, really quick. These are some of the people that wore their hair. Okay, and that's what that is. Okay, so this is the hair and everything is packaged, but it's only one more thing. It is a Diamond Dynasty pen. Oh, this is what the hair is going to come in, these separate plastic bags. And I'm going to take it out of the packaging and get into what hair I am going to be reviewing. So I will be reviewing the Dominican Curly, and as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. As soon as I saw it on their Instagram, I was like, okay, I think that is the one I would like to review because it is just so beautiful. Yeah, I know I love curly hair, but I also love that curly type of wavy hair. That is my favorite pattern, hands down, like a curly wavy, and this definitely puts me in the mind of my favorite. Okay, so I had to review it. But the thing that is very unique about this company is they have like a million different patterns. Like they have so many to choose from. It took me about a whole entire day to choose a pattern because they have so many. This company is well-rounded. Like you can tell they really tried to set themselves apart from other companies by carrying things that you would not normally see on other companies. Like normally you have like 3 patterns. You have a body wave, you have a curly, you have a straight. They have so many, it is not funny. Like I literally couldn't even get through all of them. That's how many they have. But okay, this is the Dominican Curly, and as you can see, it is luxurious. Another thing that I love about this company is that they have really, really long lengths. So I decided to get some really, really long lengths. I mean, they have hair longer than this, but I went for the 32, 30, 28 and 26, and then I have the 20-inch closure. Okay, so I do plan on doing a wig with this hair, and it's going to be layered, so I'm very nervous and excited at the same time, and that's a good thing. because I haven't gotten that feeling in a really long time from hair. So I'm super duper excited to see what this is gonna look like. But right now we're about to play with the 32 inches. I'm gonna see about the shedding. We're gonna see if it's tangling straight out the packaging. We're gonna see what it looks like loosened. We're gonna see how long the wefts are. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the 32 inch and I took the like rubber band off right here and we're just gonna play with it. So as you can see, it is super duper bouncy. It definitely has like a medium shine and we're just gonna run our fingers through. So the curl pattern is tight and running my finger through it's slow. There's no tangling. Yeah. No tangling. And I'm about to tell you, so I do have about 2 strands of hair, which isn't a lot considering how tight this pattern is, but Lord, I pray that this pattern stays in the hair because this is absolutely gorgeousness. This is right up my alley. So now I'm just going to unfold the wefts to see how long it is. And again, this is the 32 inch bundle. I always go with the longest bundle because I think that's like the true test, how long the longest bundle is. Okay, so this is how long it is and it is literally arm's length. My arms are all the way open and that is exactly how long the wefting is. Okay, so you get a lot of hair even with the 32 inches and this is what it looks like unraveled. That is a beautiful pattern. It is very wavy with a tighter curl at the bottom. I'm so excited to see what this is gonna look like once I put it in my hair. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I haven't been this excited about an install in a very long time. So let's fold it back up and this is what it looks like. It's a lot of hair. This is a lot in one bundle. Even though this is long, this is a lot. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. This is what the closure looks like. I opted for the lace closure. That's another thing that has so many options. They had 13 by 6 frontals. I believe they had 13 by 8 frontals and the regular 13 by 4 frontals. Like they had so many options for the frontals. Like, oh my God, this site is like a site, like a candy store but for hair. Honestly, it is like a candy store but for hair products, lashes. You could get freaking hair tools as well as hair. Everything under hair you can think about as far as a pattern. They have all types of different types of curly hair, all types of different types of wavy hair. Like, girl, go on the site, you will not be mad, I promise you. This does have some baby hair, which is good, and I think they did a great job with the baby hair, and the closure doesn't look so full. So I think this is gonna be a very nice install. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, y'all really don't understand. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to install this hair. So let me know if y'all are excited to see this review. Let me know what y'all think about this hair, 32 inches. And yeah, let's chat down in the comments. I thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you liked it, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I will have the links to this hair down in the bottom bar. And I forgot to tell you, this is going to be a 3-part series. So this is the unboxing. The next video will be an update after I have the hair in for a week, and then the video after that will be a full review on my actual thoughts about this hair after wearing it for a while. All right, I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.